How to get dark mode on Snapchat. Hey guys, and let's get started. If you are a person who likes to set up the mobile applications on dark mode, then it is a good news for you. Dark mode is gradually rolling out to Android devices, so availability may be depending upon your device and Snapchat version. So make sure you first of all update your app. After that, open, click on the Bitmoji, then go to settings. Under personal information, you will see app appearance. Choose on always dark, which will require you to restart the application. Now let's check if the dark version has been supported. And there you go. You have successfully turned on the dark mode. However, if it is not yet available, make sure you're using the latest version, or you could just switch in the system of the device into dark mode till the date. That is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.